And moving on the track we have
Lympung yeli akai athletic district level inter-school athletics meet arajar arpulai balapenya the office district sports Bhoi district kalasdang hagasngi khat khandai trik Yayong Hamadan Kurkalang Bhoi rumbong. Lepli kini ke Lympung do additional deputy commissioner ke Bhoi district uba MB Tongper kum ukongsan uba lapen her ya kalama ketenat sports hakajing dan lungkat UTSP Bhoi uba S Pasleng DSO ba Bobby Nongben kinong hikai lembat kipai ba nagishnang bamarjan. Uba MB Tongper hagajing keren hakani kesngi ulekin tui ki kena bani shimenta hakani ke Lympung da kemensim bat ka akor kirang bat kithay yele akai sports bagensai.
More outside, outdoors. Much of the time is spent in your cell phones, in your own households, in enclosed spaces. And this takes a lot of toll, not only on your physical health, but on the mental health. So a lot of stress, a lot of issues come up in today's world. I urge the students here to give your best. Of course, everybody wants to win. Everybody wants to be a winner. But at the same time, you take this opportunity, this platform, to make friendships, to compete, of course, and to develop that bonding, that camaraderie between you. All right, the memories which you make in this particular tournament, these memories will go a long way, and it will help you in your life, and beautiful friendships, beautiful things which are going to happen later in the future course of your life. So I once again wish all of you the very best, compete, but also remember, as sports person, as athletes, you should have a sense of discipline, the sense of sportsmanship, right? Mutual respect for each other, no matter what. Once again, I congratulate.
Kini ke Lympung kan ne lai sngi lenter khat khandai hadu arpoi ter Yayong. Kidan hadu lai pu ATHLETICS school kibarna kathan Bhoi kibalawan bani shimenta hakani ke Lympung yele akai ki khana school. Kijingya kop akani ke Lympung ki kentup ya ka high jump, long jump, discus throw, javelin throw, shot put, but kijing mare 100 meters, 600 meters, 4 into 100 meters, but 1500 meters.